this video, we're going to modify the settings on an existing directional pattern. Over here on my tree, you see pattern 1. If I select that, you see that the pattern is all selected. I'm going to right click and I'm going to go to Edit Definition with this icon here. That takes us back to all the settings that I used to actually create this pattern. So the edge that I selected to pick my direction, the number of the value, and the distance in between. For simplicity's sake, I'm going to change this to 4, change this to 1.5, and you see the distance changes. Just click in here, you'll see the second edge I used to define this direction, the number of items, which is 3. I'm going to change this to 2. I'm going to change my value to 2. And when I'm done, I just hit accept, the green check mark, and it is done. Another way you can also modify this in a simpler way is if I select on pattern, you see this icon here with this D1, just edit dimensions. If I select that, all I get presented to me are the dimensions that I used. So I can click right here on this 2. I can change this to 2.25. I can change this 1.5 to 1.75. I can change this the number of extrudes to 4. Change that to 5. And I can change the number of extrudes here to 2, but I don't want to do that with the values that I have. I can change it there. To complete this, I right click or left click once on the background, left click one more time, and it's now completed.